Society treats creativity like a genetic lottery, a sudden spark that hits specific people while leaving the rest of us in the dark. Great ideas emerge from a mechanical process, taking old, seemingly unrelated concepts and crashing them together. Steve Jobs built the iPhone by taking three existing technologies, the touchscreen, the phone, and the internet, and merging them into one device. William Shakespeare lifted the plots for his most famous plays from older stories and rewrote them for a new audience. Einstein reached his conclusions on relativity by building directly on the existing physics theories of his era. There's a reliable system for this kind of innovation. It is called idea stacking, and by following it, you are going to generate a unique concept for your own project in the next 5 minutes. Step 1. Before you go hunting for inspiration, you need to establish an anchor. This is a foundational project where your future ideas will live. Your anchor can be anything basic, like a new blog, a simple video layout, or a hobby project. It gives you a physical place to apply the raw materials you're about to gather. Once your anchor is set, accelerate your intake of diverse knowledge. Read, watch, and listen to everything outside of your normal industry. Mindless scrolling does not count as active absorption. You are looking for specific, high-quality concepts to borrow, not just passing the time. There is zero benefit to absorbing information if you are not simultaneously creating something. The input must directly feed the output. Reframe your consumption as an aggressive scavenger hunt for raw, reusable materials. Step 2 is building your idea log. Open a blank note on your phone or grab a physical notebook right now. You need a dedicated, frictionless place to capture thoughts the second they occur. Write down 3 distinct concepts you've encountered recently. A marketing tactic from a billboard, a science fact from a podcast, or a personal observation about behavior. Suspend all your judgment during this phase. Do not label any concept as stupid or unusable. Your only goal is to document the raw ingredients. Your idea list should look entirely disjointed. A fact about deep-sea marine life sitting right next to a concept from a vintage video game creates the exact friction the system requires. Step 3 is idea stacking, the core mechanism of forcing unexpected connections. Look at your list and ask 2 trigger questions. How can I mix these? And what happens if I apply idea A to problem B? James Dyson grew frustrated with bagged vacuum cleaners that rapidly lost suction as the pores in the bag clogged with dirt. He looked outside his industry and observed an industrial cyclone separator. This device uses centrifugal force to spin heavy particles out without using filters. By forcing the mechanics of an industrial sawmill into the body of a household appliance, he built the first bagless cyclone vacuum. This works for digital content too. Imagine you want to record a podcast. Most podcasts are recorded in a soundproof room. Vlogs, however, are usually shot walking around outside. Look what happens when the 2 formats collide. You get a nature podcast recorded entirely on foot, deep in a forest or amid ancient ruins. Pause the video right now. Pick 2 random items from your idea log and force them to solve a problem in your anchor project using those trigger questions. By forcing this collision, you have engineered a unique concept that did not exist in your head 5 minutes ago. Look at the idea you just wrote down. You generated this by following a specific set of instructions rather than waiting for a mood or a feeling to take hold. Innovation is strictly about the relentless recombination of existing materials. Take that idea and build a basic prototype today. Challenge yourself to add 3 new observations to your idea log every single day this week. Ultimately, creativity is a reliable mechanical system that consistently delivers results to anyone who is willing to execute the method.